Squarehead coming at you live, hot. You know how I do. I got an issue over here, some kind of plumbing in my fix and flip. Day 42, fix and flip, I guess. Snow got me real good. Furnace went out on me, guys. So I'm changing the induced motor, the induced draft motor, the induced draft motor. This is a separate piece. See, this piece makes that L, that uniform from 3 inch. So here it just snaps right on like that, and it makes that L. But you know, obviously it turns so it can fit. So that's that L. It makes that L. Whoop, and then you put it right back there. All that rusted water looking stuff. It has a little washer or deal going on. But Squarehead still going at it. As you can see, painted the floor. Got one to go. All the glass blocks is going in. So we got all the glass block. I got all kinds of stuff upstairs painted or whatever. But Squarehead out. Day 43.